Hey, this is Chad Underwood with the Jessica Hargis Group. Just wanted to talk to you today briefly about foundations. When people are buying a home, a lot of times they're concerned about foundation issues, and we have that happen in Texas. Things to look for that are going to be a little different. You'll see settling cracks in homes that are normal, usually in the corners, in joints where the sheetrock come together. But if you see things that are out of the normal, especially when you go outside and you see a stair-step pattern in the brick. Sometimes you'll see that in the mortar, which is a little bit normal, but if you see it running through the middle of a brick, of course, if you have doors that don't shut properly and swing open on their own, those are things you want to pay attention to. Your inspector will notate different things, and as I've talked about in previous videos, he may refer you to get a specialist come out. And the best thing to do, it costs a little bit of money, but is to have a structural engineer, because they are unbiased and will give you an honest opinion about if the home needs work or not. Also, your agent may know some good companies that we work with that will give you an honest opinion as well, not just try to sell you a bunch of piers for your home. So pay attention to that, and as always, hire a professional. This is Chad Underwood with the Jessica Hargis Group. You can reach me at 972-672-1744. Take care.